Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. AVAX has seen a decline into this yellow support region after a possible wave 1 top tier on the 17th of March at around 66 USD. So at this wave 2 correction, which can be labeled in the white scenario an ABC structure. Very clearly, as long as the 5th of July low is holding, it is possible to interpret this wave 2 as complete, even though I have to say it didn't reach that ideal 100% Fibonacci extension, which is located at $18.80. That would have provided a, let's say, a clearer bottoming structure, because that 1880 level would have been the 100% extension of wave A to the downside, which bottomed here on the 14th of April at around $29.40. Now there's no need to get there, but it would have been ideal, okay? That just would have been ideal. Now, since then, we've seen obviously this, corrective rally here to the upside. So I call it corrective because we have a lot of overlapping price action. The price got rejected from the $33 level. It's the 1.236 extension of the initial 1-2 setup to the upside after the 5th of July low. That is not strong enough for a viable third wave. Therefore, I'm very much doubting the white scenario. I'm doubting it, but I'm still tracking it and allow for it as long as we're holding the $27.44 level. But it is not great. Yeah, and it's a warning. I can only highlight that. The Fib levels are objective, but then I give you my qualitative assessment, which indicates that, yeah, I'm not convinced by this. So this is not a setup where I'd say, okay, we have a great chance of holding support, okay? So these are warnings. For example, if a third wave doesn't reach that key level here, yeah, it's just a warning, because the key level would have been $34. The third wave should have got to the 1.38 extension, not just the 1.236. And if it only gets there, that indicates additional weakness. Well, guess what? We see that in the price at the moment. It's already dropped below the 38.2 retracement, without getting any decent bounce here. And it starts to look a bit like a 5-wave move down, which, could indicate one more low, which isn't a disaster. I mean, I know a lot of people are waiting for one more low. And then we would also likely test the $18.80 level. And the yellow count is just a more extended correction. Same overall scenario of a wave 2. But the wave 2 did not unfold as a simple ABC structure. No. It is a W, X, Y structure, and the Y wave is A. This here is a B wave, C. So at the moment, it's all about, okay, can we hold $27.44? We might give, as long as that's holding, I mean, we might give the bulls the benefit of the doubt, but it's not a high quality setup. Either way, and you know that, we can only confirm a low of this wave 2 on the 5th of July if the price forms a 5-wave move up. And I'd like to see at least 5 waves to $34, better 36. So we have to remain patient, have to allow for one more low, have to consider one more low. And if one more low happens, it could be a great entry point for anybody who missed it before in the yellow box. Anybody who did enter in the yellow box, even if just with a small spot position, you might want to consider moving up your stop loss, or you just add a little bit lower if the price comes down a little lower to 1880. Overall, I can tell you, regardless of what the price has done, even though if we've broken out of the price channel, there is no confirmation yet that a low has formed here on the 5th of July, and there won't be a confirmation until we get 5 waves up. That's an update about AVAX. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.